girl Cha Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created this channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that sounds like you, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video today. I do want to let you know that I have over 350 quick videos to help you become a better trader. And if you don't find what you're looking for in my organized playlist, you can just leave me a comment below and I'll add your video suggestion to the queue. Now, if you are a returning viewer and you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you never miss when I post new videos. I'm really here for you guys and I just want to connect and help everybody reach their goals. Now, I do want to let you guys know that I did relaunch my trading academy. I know some people have been trying to register and it was down as I was switching platforms, but the new platform is officially up. And if you like to join the community for 7 days to see what we be doing over there, the link is down below in my description box. Now, some of the benefits of receiving personal mentorship or joining the course is that it is structured learning that you can always go back to. There are tons of resources, there's a community, and plus, if you're still very new to trading, you can always copy my trade ideas from the group chat that I post in every single week. Now, in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys a simple strategy that you can use on Tradelocker to help you to secure some profits. This is going to be a scalping strategy, which means that it can be used on the 15-minute, the 5-minute, or even as low as the 1 minute, as long as you follow the rules and follow the process. Now, if you are new here, I always like to do a little overview just to give you an idea of what you're looking at on the chart. So I'm going to hide these drawings for now, and we're going to talk a little bit about market structure before we get into the break of structure strategy. Now, if you ever seen a trading chart, you're going to notice that it is going up and down consistently. It's never just going one way, or you will never only see sell candles or only see buy candles. And this is what creates the market structure. Sometimes price is being pushed higher and higher. For example, we can see that at one point in time, this was a high, but as price continued to rise, we found a new high and a new high and so on and so forth. That is one sign of a buying market. You'll see price continuously opening and closing higher, confirming a bullish trend. Now, the opposite can also be true where the market is going down. You'll see more sell candles or the market is opening and closing lower as time goes on. So you have these lower highs being created, and you also have these lower lows being created as well. Now, if you can see the difference between a buying market and a selling market, just go ahead and comment a 7 down below for me. And we're going to talk about how to use a break of structure outside of the trend in order to confirm your entry points. Now, what you'll notice is that sometimes as the market is going down for a period of time, it will stop and there will be a period of consolidation where the market is pretty much ranging. Once you get a break out of this pattern, that will confirm which way the market wants to go and it'll help you with your entries. For example, in this section, we can see there was a break of structure below the consolidated area, and we can see that there was a break of structure above the consolidated area here, pushing price up. So if you're still struggling with finding your entry points and you find yourself in a moment of consolidation, just wait for that break of structure above or below the box, and it'll help you to find better entries. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my rectangles back to my chart because these are some break of structure examples that I've highlighted. And as you go through your charts, I want you guys to just back test and find some examples like this as well. So in this very first box here, we can see the market was consolidating or selling at a predictable place and buying at a predictable place until we had a break of structure above the box. We had a retest where previous resistance became support, and then we can see price continue to climb. Now, it's important that not only do you get a break of structure outside of the box and period of consolidation, you do want previous resistance to become support to let you know that people are willing to buy higher. Here's another example that I will draw in. We can see that the market was consolidating, which looks like for about an hour, we had a break of structure above, and then we had a retest of this level, and price continued to push up. Now, I've have other examples on my chart as well. I have more sell and more buy examples, and we'll just go through them together so that you guys can get comfortable recognizing these breakup structures in the market. Now, again, this is the 5-minute chart, which means that your profit can be secured rather quickly versus if you were in a swing trade, meaning you will be in your trades for hours or sometimes even days. So here we have a period of consolidation. We have a break of structure outside of this box. And then we have the retest with a previous support level becoming resistance. Now, I just called this a simple break of structure box strategy. I'll go over some more examples with you guys. But if it's making sense and you can see it, just go ahead and leave me a comment down below, drop a 7, and let me know that it's making sense. And if you've made it this far in the video, just please hit the subscribe button because I have over 70% of my viewers that are not subscribed. But you subscribing helps the channel grow, and it also keeps you in the loop for when I post new content. You never know who it could help. So here's another box we have where the market was consolidating for some time. We have a break of structure outside of this box on the upside. On the very next candle, we see that previous resistance becomes support and price pushes up. And then last but not least, we have another sell example where we can see the market was consolidating. We have a break of structure to the downside. We have previous support being retested as resistance. And then we have the market selling down. Now, this strategy is extremely simple. It just takes patience and going through the checklist to make sure that you have what you need to get into the trade. Questions you could ask yourself are, is the market in a period of consolidation? Has the market broken structure above or below the box? Has the market retested a previous key level to signal a change in the trend? And if you get the answers you're looking for to these questions, you should have the confidence to enter your trades because the technical part gets simpler and simpler over time, but it's really you versus you fighting your mind and trusting your trades. You have to believe that what you have analyzed is correct and just let your trade play out. Sometimes you're going to be right and sometimes you're going to be wrong, but you just have to have a process that you can trust. And this is why I always encourage you guys to get on the charts and back test. Don't just take my words for it. Don't just take people who present themselves as trading gurus' words for it. Get on the charts and do the work yourself so that you can find what we're saying is actually true or in some cases not true. But I really hope that this video was helpful. If you want to work with me more one-on-one, remember I do have my free trial going on for my trading community. You can join by clicking the information down below in my description box. And if you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I would love to connect with you and just help you along your trading journey. So thank you for having me today, but that's really all I have for you guys. Until next time, rich friends.